back to my channel, and today we are watching a 3-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, resort location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 8.2,
which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed size, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen.
Simply required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
If you are facing any kind of problem, if you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.